Hello friends, I'm Tony Powers with the Pooter Stomper channel and instructor at the Pathfinder School. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a V Firelay. Let's get started. Okay, now while I process down this tulip poplar bark, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this V Firelay. I personally do not use a V Firelay a lot, but this does come in handy when you are wanting to boil water. You set your container down, build the V around it, and will actually prevent that container from spilling over. So I'm going to finish getting this tinder processed here, and I'll be right back with you. The wind is actually blowing this way, so we want to set up our V like this. And what we're going to do is just take some of our sticks, place that way, and the other sticks we're going to place this way. Okay, we're going to get some of these thick ones out of there. Then we're going to round up all of our other sticks here, and we're just going to place them on top like so. We want to make sure we got plenty of small, really small diameter sticks in there to get this going. Some of these smaller ones on top. And that's your basic V Firelay. Now one thing we want to do is we want to build a platform for our tinder. We want to put something on the ground to separate the tinder from the ground for moisture reasons, and because we want nice little gaps in between these sticks to allow airflow to come up from underneath the tinder. Now I've got my tinder bundle here, and all we're going to do is ignite it. We're going to take these sticks, lay over on top, and if it works right, it should spread the fire throughout all the sticks and completely wrap around this container and have your water boiling in just a minute or two. Okay, at this point we're going to put our foot next to the tinder. We're going to turn that over, let it get fully engulfed. We're then going to just lay those over across there. Try not to smash them down. Don't press down on the sticks, you'll smother the fire. I'm going to come around here and grab all these other sticks that are on the outside. We're just going to let it do its thing. People have a tendency to kind of freak out when it doesn't take off super fast. Let the wind help you. It will go. If you have everything set up right and you use good dead dry sticks that are very small, it will go. Once the flames climb above the current level of fuel, then you can add more sticks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go the opposite way. All these sticks are going this way. I'm going to lay these the opposite way. Okay, now we're above the current level of fuel. We can start throwing on bigger pieces here. I'm going to scrape all the sticks from around the sides and just let it do its thing. Fire likes chaos. You don't have to make this real fancy. We're not doing no cabin fires or teepees or anything like that. Just down and dirty. Throw your sticks on the ground, make a V, go to town. Now earlier I said that the wind was coming from that direction, so I set up my V that way. So that way the air can come in and just feed this fire. That's called the Venturi Effect. As you can see, the flames are going the opposite way, so the wind is just helping us. It's just feeding that fire, getting it nice and hot. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that water is boiling already. It only took about a minute and a half. All right guys, so we've accomplished two things at once. We have disinfected our water. We'll let it cool down and it'll be safe to drink. And the other thing we've done is built a sustainable fire. At this point, we can add larger logs to this fire and we'll have our campfire for the night. Guys, I'm Tony Powers. with the Pooter Stomper channel. I appreciate you all watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. Check out my links, it really helps me out. Till next time guys, take care. I'll see you all on the next one.